Hello there, Michelle Gibson with Keller Williams. I have attorney Christine Faulkner with Cava and Faulkner here with me. Christine has been in practice for 28 years and exclusively focuses on estate and business planning locally in her office in Old Town Elk Grove. Christine was voted best attorney in Elk Grove 7 times between 2011 and 2019. So Christine, what does homeowners need to worry about with estate planning?
So great question. So one of the things that many homeowners don't realize is that potentially their family will be exposed to probate. And that happens because when someone passes away, there is no way for them to pass on a titled asset like real estate. So here's a couple of things to think about when it comes to probate. If you have concerns about passing your assets expeditiously to your family, this is exactly the opposite of what would happen in probate. So it takes on the average of 12 to 18 months to pass your assets to the people that you love. Exactly the opposite of what happens when you create a plan. One of the other things to be worried about is that it's very public. So a lot of families with minor children really worry about what would happen if something happened to them and their kids were young. They wouldn't want their kids' names tossed around in court or people knowing what they were going to receive.
Mm-hmm.
Another thing to consider, truly important for families with minor children, is that your children will receive everything outright when they turn 18. I have sons that are not minors, but they're in their 20s, and that's still a concern for my husband and I as well. So really important thing. Finally, and really eye-opening, is the cost associated with probate. It's about 5% of the probatable assets. And so usually a home is a homeowner's biggest asset. So on average, what's the average or median sales price in Elk Grove, Michelle?
450,000.
Okay, so for a $450,000 home going through probate, you're looking at probably about $20,000 to $22,000 just for the cost of probate. A lot to think about. One of the important things that I talk to folks about is exerting control in the estate planning process, and also making sure that they're keeping all of that money in their pocket to pass that along to the people that they love the most.
Excellent. Well, that was some great information, and all homeowners should be aware of that. We're going to continue this series ongoing with different topics, going more in depth on estate planning and real estate. So thanks so much, Christine.
Thank you.
Continue to join us moving forward.